So I guess I didn't make a formal intro, so this is part 3 of my moving out series, and we are renovating the kitchen.
We got the cabinets ordered. It only took like an hour and some, but like frig.
Yeah.
Finally. So they're really nice and white and they have like gray veins through them.
They're really nice.
Excited. Can't wait for them to go in. There's gonna be a lot of installation going on. They'll be in 2 weeks hopefully. And I got a sink to go with, an undermount sink. Which I didn't even think of sinks, but I guess, yeah, I'll need a new sink.
It'll be really nice.
Back at the place. So I just quickly want to show the sinks and faucet I just bought. So for the new countertop, I wanted an undermount sink. So I went ahead and got this one. Here is what it's gonna look like. Sinks are actually super expensive, but for my first purchase, I got 10%, so I put it towards this.
Okay, I didn't explain that at all. Basically, where I bought my countertops on my first purchase, if I signed up for this thing, I could get 10% back. So I got 10% in a gift card and used that to buy the sink. So the sink was pretty much free deals.
So that was awesome. And then here's the sink faucet I decided to use. So you won't see me installing this because I'm getting the countertop and sink professionally installed. And the reason for that is just because I don't know how to work with quartz, like obviously the really heavy stone. So yeah. But those are what I'm putting in. This sink is so cute. I love this sink. So yeah, we're just making the insoles for the inside because they're pretty roughed up. So we got these little stickies. So we're just gonna cut them to size to fit in all the drawers. As you can see, the handles are now officially on. Tate spilled spaghetti sauce all the way down this one, but thankfully it came off so he can live another day. Alright, so basically, the whole house somehow hoovered up all of my chairs that was gonna be in the dining room. So I decided to order some more, obviously. So I ordered 4 more because I don't know where they all went. I know that there's one at the desk right here, and Tate also took one downstairs. And one is upstairs in my other filming room. So all of the chairs got hoovered up. So I bought 4 more because I did initially buy them for the kitchen, and then they got put elsewhere, so I got some more for the kitchen, and they look like they're gonna be the right color. So good. So these are all over the house now, basically. I really, really, really love them. They're super comfy, they're easy to put together. The only thing is they are fabric, which I'm a little bit worried about, just because I don't want anyone spilling on them, and they are light, but sometimes you have to take the risk. And that's what I'm doing. And hopefully, with these, I'll then be set for chairs. I won't have to get any more chairs. I did not expect to find these. I talked about it in my painting episode, but I just was basically buying paint, and then I saw these, and I was like, what? And I loved them, so did not expect to find chairs at Home Depot, but sure enough. All right, first one done. I like to just make sure it's gonna sit. See, that's not good. That means that something's loose. Let's see, let's test it out. Sweet. All right, so we just got an estimation for the backsplash. Wait, estimation? Is that? An estimate. An estimate for the backsplash. My dad is here, and we are going to be taking off the countertops because, as you can see on my schedule, on Monday the countertops get changed, and it is Thursday, so we got to get them off so that the professionals can install the new ones, because we can't install those ones. They're granite, so they're really heavy. Ooh. Whoa! Dad under the sink. I think I can see you kind of. Okay, ready? Nice.
Oh.
Goodbye, sink.
Let your dad take it away. Take it away.
There you go. Right.
There you go, you got her.
Got it. Right, so that is all the countertops off. The next time you guys see me, we will be putting some countertops on and then followed by the backsplash. So excited, this is gonna really start shaping up. Tomorrow I think I might get the kitchen table, so it's really shaping up in the kitchen. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright you guys, so I'm in the kitchen right now. I made an order on IKEA last night to pick up some stuff like a dining room table, a little rug underneath it, and I've got this shelf to put up, so lots of stuff to do. So I'm gonna go head to IKEA and pick that stuff up. Let's roll. This is pretty easy. That's not too much. Usually we got way more than this, so this will be good.
I came on the easy day.
You did. That's for the kitchen. My camera. How did you manage to do that?
Sorry.
All right, we're now in HomeSense. Tea towels? Tea towels. Now I gotta think about which ones I choose. Quiet on set! We're getting some stuff for the kitchen right now, just to decorate a little bit, because the countertops and backsplash are coming soon. Yeah. Hey, Mom! Pretty good.
That's it. Yeah. Where we're fitting in the vehicle, I don't know.
Me neither, I don't know.
Won't be the first time we're stuck, like, with no room.
Okay, so I think what we're gonna be doing today, the countertops are all off and everything you already saw, and we're waiting on the countertops backsplash, but over here is the dining room, and as you can see, those chairs are all built, but this table is not suffice. So at IKEA we got a table and also a little rug for underneath it. And we do have to clean a bit of the flooring. Me and my mom are gonna be cleaning, but we aren't gonna wait on it because they're cutting countertops in the house, so it'll get really dusty. But we still wanna keep building, so we're gonna move this firstly out. Move these chairs aside. Building the table, I think, will take up some room. I'm so strong doing it on my own. Kind of looks like a candy roll. Here's what it looks like. What would this be called? Because it reminds me of twine.
Yeah, it's kind of like
woven.
a burlap.
And we did measure it yesterday before we ordered it.
Gee.
Like it.
I love it.
Oh yeah, it's cute.
It's a great size.
See, and I didn't want it to take up this whole space. I just wanted it to be a little area rug.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
And the table will hopefully fit on it. There was another one that went all the way to the edges, like filled up this whole spot, but I didn't really want one that big. So we'll see if I made the right decision.
Ooh, it's nice.
Okay, and we'll lay it onto its side.
Okay, sounds good. I bet you it's gonna be pretty sturdy. Like,
I hope so. Alright, I'm shutting this off until we're done. It's taking longer than we thought. Alrighty, let's see.
ooh, it's heavy.
She's heavy.
Now,
Let's lift like maybe like
yeah. Oh yeah.
This is really cute.
Oh yeah.
It is cute.
It is really cute.
I like how they stay on the rug.
Yeah.
Because if it was off the rug, I don't think I'd like that.
Oh yeah. The way that closes down like that.
Yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna move this. I think this picture's gonna end up in the kitchen. I'm not 100% sure, but here's what it looks like. I'll give you an overview. I don't know why, I just love this picture so much. So I got a frame for it. I love it. So that's all for the kitchen today. We'll be back though. Alright you guys, so today is a big day. Today is the day that the countertops get installed, and this is one thing that my family and I actually aren't doing. We're getting done, we paid it out I guess, and that's because I guess when you get like quartz countertop or like granite countertop, you can't install it yourself because it's so heavy or something. I don't know, maybe it's different for everybody, but we got someone to put it in, so they're coming today, and I really feel like that's the first step of really finishing the kitchen. and it's Monday. And they're putting them in on Monday, and then the backsplash person comes on Friday to finish it off, and I've had an electrician in there switching the outlets, so it's shaping up. So let's get in there. I probably won't like vlog, but I will take some shots. Is everyone excited for the countertops?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's been tough.
Oh,
Good, how are
yeah.
you doing?
Nice. Dad just got a call. Having no sink hooked up for the last little while has been hard for Tate.
Kind of handy though to grab cutlery just out at the top.
Yeah. We're excited. We're just waiting for them. They were supposed to come between 9 and 10, so we'll see. It's like 9:48, so they should be here any minute.
The next few shots are taken by my dad. Me and my mom left because we were going to film something. So these are by my dad.
Okay, you guys have fun with Eli. See ya.
Okay, you guys, those shots that were just taken were taken by my dad. Me and my mom just got back from shopping, and the countertops are here!
They're awesome.
They look so, they're exactly what I wanted. Granted, I did pick them out. You never know how it's gonna look actually in the place. So here they are. My mom's just eating. Here they are. They look super nice. I actually did say okay to how the grain was going to look because they sent me a little picture of the huge block, how they were gonna cut everything. And I love the way it looks, like these big gray veins through it. I think it really brings in the stainless steel appliances. This was one thing I didn't show anything of, but all of these little outlets were off yellow, but I got them changed to white. That was just a little detail that I felt like once this was all white backsplash, that was gonna really show, so I thought I better get that changed. So yeah, I think we might put up a shelf like the one in the living room, but right here. So I think we'll do that. Just really quickly before we put up the shelf, I wanted to show you guys, I just went to Staples because I had to get a few things just for setting up the house and like scheduling. I'm a planner, I like to plan. So I got this whiteboard to hang up in the kitchen over in the corner, just to write like what I'm filming that week and what days, just so Tate knows. And also I got this. Apparently this is a whiteboard that can like stick onto the wall, and it looks like a little piece of paper, which is nice. And then I got tape, not very exciting, and these expo markers for on there. I also have some colorful ones, but I got that one because it had like the wash and also the little thing to wipe it. You know, got some highlighters and some of this indoor basically mounting tape, and those are for my acoustic foam upstairs. A little, what's this, clipboard for keeping track of everything, Sharpies, paper clips, and also some things to organize my taxes. Tax season is coming up for me, but I gotta organize it. So yeah, all right, shelf time. So I usually have sweatpants for when we're gonna work, but I didn't, so I just wore the Pikachu Halloween costume. All good though, all good. This I actually think might be going in the kitchen. I'm building a lentil. Here's what it looks like. I think it'll be really cute in the kitchen. So, see, it's like a little tray, and I think I'm gonna put like plants in it. I've been screwing these in for like 20 minutes. The half Pikachu girl. All right, come with me. I'm thinking about putting it here. Here. Yeah, that's good there. That looks cute. I might leave it here. It might end up kind of behind the kitchen table, but either way, it's freaking built, so we can put it wherever we want now. All right, I'm putting together this little bathroom thing right now, and it's for the bathroom that's right on to the kitchen, right in there. So I'm going to put it together and put it in this, just because I'm not really doing any of the bathrooms in here, but this is kind of something fun. Almost done. and lift. It's a little far from the wall, honestly. Oh, ow! Ow! All right, this is officially finished. So I think that this is going to be all that is in here basically. Other than we're getting the backsplash right along here, there's gonna be like a picture, a towel, and that's all. Into the kitchen, we're going to be putting up the shelf, finally.
Okay, so, except that I'm gonna crack fill that.
Oh gosh, you were so close to it. All right, so that is everything we are doing in the kitchen today. I will touch back probably when the backsplash is happening, I'm assuming. And then after the backsplash, we're gonna start decorating a little bit. So I'll see you guys then.
Okay, so I had footage of the backsplash going in, but something happened to it. This was all filmed like 3 months ago, and I'm like, it's just, I don't know where it went. So the backsplash is in this next scene, so check it out.
A few days later, and now it is officially time to decorate. I'm gonna put the base picture in. We did put up a few things like that cutting board and also this mirror. Hello. So we're gonna put the picture up on this shelf and then decorate around it. A little bit to the left. This picture is from the Rockefeller Center in New York of all the guys eating out on their lunch break. Pretty wild that that actually happened. Now, got that. Oh, and we're gonna put a little macrame right here. If you watched my living room one, there's also macrame in the living room. This one's a little bit more basic. It brings in the color of the couch from the living room to the kitchen. So I'm gonna hang that right here. We got a dish soap by the sink, big soap, little oven mitts, and also these hand towels that I'm gonna hang right there. Looks so good. It actually does look pretty decent together with the macrame. That's cute. There's a picture, and then these two are gonna get filled with bath bombs, hopefully that match the color. Yeah, and then out here, there's this little thing, the soap, and then these I'm going to fill with black and white pictures of my family, but right now they're just some random family's vacation and some random woman and her child. It's not gonna stay long. All right, so the kitchen is pretty much all done. The last step we gotta do is put the little covers back on the electrical sockets, but all the decorating is done. We've got this little corner, a little marble thing over here, got Tate, and the picture, and this is probably my favorite part of the house so far. So I really love the way that it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, or part 3 or 4 in my moving out series, doing the kitchen, renovating it and decorating it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next episodes in this series. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!